Hey, Scott Lair, the cruisegenius.com, on board the Carnival Liberty, and we are at the very top deck with Reed, the cruise kid. How are you doing, Reed?
Good.
Now that is his brother Cole in the background stealing our scene. So Reed, why don't you show me? Good job. All right, show me how to do it, Reed. So the one thing about Carnival, it is family and kid friendly. And this is the best thing right here because look at that, he's gonna get a hole in one, look at that. So anyway, a very nice putt-putt golf area up here at the very top of the ship. And man, you wanna come up, see it's around 7 a.m. here, August 5th, 2023. And you do not wanna be up here at 1 o'clock, I tell you, it's go ahead, buddy. It's burning up. So you wanna get up here in the cool of the day, and Reed and Cole are loving it. Okay, Cole, how you doing, buddy? Perfect. Scott Lair, the cruisegenius.com, like and subscribe.